Well, good morning. We're joined here with Miss Charlene Patton and also local soybean farmer Roger, and we're going over some special soy food recipes this month.
We are. It's National Soy Foods Month, and we're doing a recipe each week really that features different soy food products. Today we're doing the textured vegetable protein, and it is really an important product that we use across the nation and in other countries really to help them get protein in their diets. Roger, tell us a little bit about the soy protein that we're doing.
Yes, soy is the only plant protein awarded an authorized FDA health heart claim, and consuming 25 grams of soy protein is considered a heart healthy addition to your diet.
It sure does, and we're trying to show you how easy it is to add those 25 grams to your diet. I'm using this the textured vegetable protein, and what I did was I took, it's a dry protein here, I took 1 cup out of it and then mixed it with 3/4 cup of hot boiling water. And with this recipe we're also using miso, and that is a miso paste that really gives it a little bit of a boost in flavor for this particular recipe. So there it is, and then you let it cool, and we'll put that in there, and we're going to start adding these ingredients. And Roger, I said this one, yes. And you'll see this in here. We have red bell pepper, we have jalapeno pepper, cilantro, and green onions, and a little bit of garlic. We'll just put that all in there. Thank you, Roger. You can see that, Samantha, look how it's going to have some nice color to it.
It's beautiful.
Then we have some fire roasted corn, and then these are black soybeans. So I love using those black soybeans. If you have trouble finding them in the grocery store, look online for them. Now look how pretty that is.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Isn't that? Now, Roger, you're going to add the cheese, yeah?
Okay.
And you can, this is Monterey Jack cheese, or you could use a pepper jack cheese if you liked it a little spicier. And now we have all these spices. We have smoked paprika, we have chili powder, and cumin. That's going to give this lots of nice flavor. Isn't that pretty? I just love this recipe because it's so colorful.
And it just smells so good already.
It does, all those spices. Now the next step is to roll them into spring rolls. And you can either use an egg roll or you could use a wrap. When you use the egg roll, you'll see I have a damp paper towel there. And we do that so we don't want them to dry out. Then I'm just going to take a couple tablespoons of this, and I'm going to turn this so that you can kind of see how I do that. And we're going to pull this up. We'll start rolling it. We'll pull this in and roll it like that. How easy is that? This will make about 12 rolls, and you can put that in an air fryer, Roger, if you have it, or you're going to use your soybean oil, put it in a skillet so it's about 1 inch thick, and get it to 375 degrees and actually fry them so they're golden brown. And there you have them.
Amazing. And I know next week, if you want a little something to dip it in, that's something we're going to be making next week.
That's right, a special dipping sauce. But they can go to our website at kansassoybeans.org or call our 800 number 877-KS-SOYBEAN, and we'll mail them all the recipes for April.
Well, thank you so much, Charlene and Roger. We'll be right back.